Hey everyone, Stacy Caroli here and happy days. What's today? Today is Thursday, Holy Thursday for some, and welcome. I'm coming to you live from Cape May, New Jersey, and the sun is out. It's awesome. Today we are going to talk about something that's not sexy, yet it is, because we all need this. And by this, I mean a home warranty. Whether you're going to sell your home, whether you have an existing home, or even, yes, new construction. So home warranty companies come and go. And over the years, I have worked with many, if not all. I've tried one, tried another. Sometimes I can't keep up with the letters, but I am here today to talk about my favorite home warranty company, which is 210 Home Warranty. And I have the privilege of talking to the National Vice President of Sales for 210 Home Warranty, Ray Lewandowski. Ray, welcome.
Hey, Stacy. Good to be here, and happy April Fool's Day. I thought about playing a joke on you.
I am, well, I can't even say, hey, I look good up top, and then down below, it is a sight to be seen. It is.
That is the world of COVID. World of COVID, for sure.
For the past year. And you're in a hotel room. Where are you?
I happen to be in Austin, Texas right now, deep in the heart of Texas. I've done a little bit of a Texas tour this week. Nice to get to a little bit of warm weather and sunshine. No hurricanes, so far so good.
Awesome, because you currently live in Colorado, so I'm sure you're.
I actually currently live in Columbus, Ohio, but we'll be moving to Colorado in the near future. Yeah, so I'm all over the place.
Well, let's get to it. So home warranties, a lot of people may not know. They think of it when they go to sell their home or when they buy their home. But what most don't know is that you can buy a home warranty right now with any house, right?
Absolutely. It doesn't matter how old your house is, if you're involved in a real estate transaction or not. We have a direct-to-consumer product that you can, that the homeowner can go directly out and get all their systems and appliances covered at any time. Certainly the best coverage and the time to kind of get it on board, if you can, is when you're involved in a real estate transaction and working with one of your EXP partners.
Now, let's talk about this, because you bring up an awesome point, which is when people go to sell their home, that listing period, it's a crucial time. It's a time where sometimes the systems fail. Your HVAC, sometimes your plumbing, your utilities, stuff like that. But what I love about 210 is that for me, when I go on a listing appointment, one of the things that I use that's a tool for me that helps me get that listing, in addition to all the marketing and all that great stuff that I offer, is a free home warranty during that listing period.
Absolutely.
Yeah, which is cool. Like, most people don't know that 210 Home Warranty offers to a seller from the time the home is listed until settlement. So yes, homes are flying off the market right now, but between listing your home and settlement, things happen, even up until the day of settlement. Let's talk about that. So what is covered for sellers for a 210 home warranty?
Yeah, and we're unique. We're one of the few companies that provide that to sellers, and it's complimentary coverage. Everything is covered as per our normal standard warranty, with the exception of HVAC, for free of charge. HVAC is, depending on the part of the country you're in, about a $50 upcharge for while the home is listed. And you're absolutely right, Stacy. Today is a crazy real estate market where it's a seller's market. Things are flying off the market. It's difficult to set yourself apart as a listing agent. It's also difficult to set yourself apart as with your offer, and that's really what it comes down to. So we've actually had buyer's agents even offer to put listing coverage on the house on behalf of the seller, free of charge, as part of their offer. So while the home is under contract, before closing, everything's covered. That way the seller doesn't have to see any of those unforeseen things. And any real estate agent that's been in the industry for any length of time, unfortunately, has been part of a transaction that 4 days before close, the hot water heater blows up in the basement, or the air conditioner goes out, or the God forbid the dishwasher is, got soap suds all over the floor in the kitchen. And, all of a sudden you've got a buyer that's panicked, a seller that's panicked, who's got to pay for this? This takes care of all of that and kind of takes it out of the equation. So it's something at 210 we're happy to offer as far as complimentary listing coverage.
Well, I love that. And I also yes, you're a national company, but our go-to person in our area is John Marmer, and he has been awesome. I can call him on his cell phone, text him. And a couple months ago, what actually happened was I had the listing, I had a buyer, we're doing the final walkthrough, and something did happen. And I had to call and text John, and within seconds, he got back to me. So although you are a big company, you have people local, you have boots on the ground throughout the country. And there's something to be said for that, because sometimes you call these 800 numbers, you don't know who you're going to get. You don't know what kind of service you're going to get. So I love that John Marmer is in our area and can help us and be our greatest advocate, and then also help our clients. He's been awesome. And I've never in 22 years ever had to, not ever had to, but I've never been able to get a hold of someone so easily in any home warranty company as I have with John. I do want to share with you this one story. And I told you right before we went on, you had no idea. Through the years, I had bought warranties with AHS or HSA or SSO. Well, I can't even keep up with these letters anymore. It's
right.
Crazy.
We're numbers, so that makes it easier, right?
210. It's awesome. So, and I had you for a couple of years. I had the full warranty. And last year, I did 26-year-old HVAC. And it finally went. And I made the phone call. I didn't even call John. I called, and then I went online, and they send someone out. You have a contract with people that are fully vetted. And what was cool was he gave me an option. He's like, hey, Stacy, we can replace it with this unit. You'll get a brand new unit, or you can have a credit. I wound up getting a credit, but it was easy. It was a no-brainer. For anyone that has an existing home, I have like a 1940 Sears and Roebuck home. My house literally came in pieces. And I've had faithfully a home warranty through the years that has served me well. And I've added pool coverage. I've added HVAC, and it really helped me. The peace of mind is absolutely priceless. What would you say for 210 home warranty? And here's something else I wanted to ask you. So sometimes people are frustrated with home warranty companies in general, meaning they'll call and they'll be on hold for a long time, or they'll go online and they'll do a claim, and they don't hear from anyone. What sets 210 home warranty apart? Even recently, you guys are always trying to be proactive and trying to listen to the consumer. So how does 210 home warranty handle those obstacles or objections or concerns?
Yeah, I would say one of our core mantras, or kind of core things we try to live by, whether that be John out in the field, whether that be Darlene, our RVP in the Mid-Atlantic area where you are, right up, through Scott Cromie, our CEO, is we want to do what's right. We do what's right for our customers. We do what's right for our employees. And that's something that we live by. And we make things right and take care of things as quickly as we possibly can. Certainly last year, I think for all of us on more than a home warranty scale was an unusual year with the COVID pandemic. And, God willing, we're on our way out of that right now. But we had over 400,000 claims in 2020. So our claims increased by 39% in 2020.
Wow.
So, part of the business that I guess we weren't excited that it grew, but we were certainly taken back by that. We went from a world where I think 5.5% of America worked from home to over 85% of people were working from home. They were using their appliances more. They were using their systems more. And they were there to say, hey, I'm home anyway. Why not have somebody come out and service this? I don't have to take a half day off work. I'm home. So claims increased. Our contractors were dispatched at a 31% higher rate. So we've worked diligently to recover from that. I know we've increased our support staff, our internal operations staff. which by the way happen to all be here in the US of A. So I mean, we've got local people who understand what they're dealing with, that are courteous and taking care of the customers. We've increased our contractor network by over 15% since last year. And we've got a portal both for the homeowner as well as an agent portal, where if an agent wants to go in and open a new home warranty for their client, we know, unfortunately, you guys are working 24/7. You're writing up contracts Sunday night at 11 o'clock at night. You can go onto the homeowner portal and take care of it there. Same thing with the agent portal. Same thing with our homeowners. If our homeowners have a claim, it's 11 o'clock at night on a Sunday night and the dishwasher stops working or whatever the case may be, they can go in, they can file that claim, they can follow up on that, and it's put right into the queue, and we're on top of that just as quickly as possible and get that service request taken care of just as quickly as possible. So, we're pretty excited about the improvements we were able to make, all the challenges we had to face in 2020, and we think we're ready for a very successful 2021 for both us and our clients.
Agreed. And I love the stats that you gave to everybody so that people can see that, number one, that you care. Number two, that you see a need for adding more employees to your company, because that really makes a big difference in customer service satisfaction, really. And the fact that you've grown it 15% and increased your contractor count as well, that's huge. People rely on that. And it's nice. 364 days a year, we may not even think about it, but the one day that it happens, and it could be Thanksgiving night, it could be New Year's Eve, Christmas Eve, when you literally, you're not thinking about, you never know what's going to happen. So there's something to be said for having that home warranty, having that comfort, whether
Right.
you're a homeowner like myself. I love it. I flippin' love it. And I would never endorse you if I didn't feel that way. And I do. There's great trust and comfort in having 210 as a home warranty company, as a homeowner. As a realtor, it's also a great idea to give it as a gift for your clients. That
Absolutely.
peace of mind, it's awesome. And it's very easy to do. You register, you provide a copy at settlement, you can pay at settlement on the settlement sheet. But I am just thrilled that I had you here. Do you have any closing thoughts about home warranties in general, or your experience so far?
No, I would say candidly, in today's market where, things are crazy and people are bidding houses up 20, 40, 50, in some cases $100,000 over the asking price. They don't have that safety net or that cushion of money. Maybe they're covering the appraisal gap and they have to come out of pocket with an extra $25,000 in cash. They don't have the $6,000 to $10,000 that they may need if the HVAC system goes out. They don't have that cushion in place. So to spend $500-$600 to have that peace of mind is really worthwhile, both for the homeowners, and let's face it, it's worthwhile for the real estate agent, because when that system goes out, who are they going to, unfortunately look to and say, why'd you sell me this lemon? Why'd you sell me this old thing with the olive green appliances that should have been replaced 10 years ago? Why'd you tell me to buy this? We'll take care of it. We'll get them new olive green appliances if that's what they want, because we'll color match and we'll take care of them and make sure they're taken care of. So peace of mind, to protect your reputation. That's what we're part of. We want to help you guys be more successful. And if you're more successful, then we're more successful. And it's a great partnership. So we've enjoyed working with you, Stacy. I've also been really, really excited to get on this call because I moved from the Seattle, actually Bellevue, Washington area. Oh, wow. And in about 2010, I was talking to this guy named Glenn, and he was telling me about this really virtual high tech, go in and you've got your emojis. And I'm like, okay. And man, for somebody to stick with his dream like that and follow through with it and build what you guys have all built together, I just love to see success stories like that. So I wish you and all the EXP family just the best of luck and continued success. I think, you've proven virtual real estate is the way to go. Everybody was a virtual agent for the last year, and you've proven for many, many years that it's the future, and it's here, and it's here to stay. So thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you. And you know what? It's no coincidence that you're friends with Glenn. And you said that a couple months ago. You're like, oh my gosh, I know him. How wild is it that I met him all those years ago? And at the time, everyone was like, yeah, virtual, a cloud. What the heck is that? And then
Right.
COVID hit. And then your company is getting slammed. You were able to pivot in such a way that you can offer more value than the other home warranty companies. And we never stopped. So it was like, okay, and hold my beer. Basically, EXP was like, COVID hit, hold my beer, let's go. So
That's absolutely.
yeah. So I love that we have that connection, that we are virtual, and we also have boots in the ground. And so does 210. You have John Marmer in Pennsylvania. And I love it. And I thank you for your time. I appreciate it. And everybody, thank you for watching. Let's you know what, post your contact information for 210 Home Warranty. We got to get that up. There we go. Look at
There
you,
we
Ray.
go.
What? In the suit. So here is Ray's email. Guess what? He's not hiding behind a company. Here's his email address. Here's his phone number. Hit him up. And realtors,
Please.
homeowners, take a look at this 210 Home Warranty. It is a great company. They offer amazing value, whether it's 24/7, really, because you can go online. And you never know when that dishwasher, when that range, when something huge in your house goes, you want that protection. And believe me, it is priceless. So Ray, thank you so much. And everybody, I want to talk next week. I have the privilege of talking to Sam Silverstein. He has written many books about accountability. We're going to talk to him and learn about that and leverage. So whether it's in business or outside of it in your personal life. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.
Thanks, Stacey.